Hi there, welcome to Grade 12 Mathematics. Kinds of Function under the umbrella of Maths for You by Ataur Rahman. Today we will discuss kinds of function. Here in this video we will take up just one kind of a function, that is a constant function. Let us define this. A function defined by the equation y is equal to f of x is equal to some constant. That is, y is equal to f of x is equal to k. What is this k? This k is a constant which may be positive, negative or zero. And for all x belonging to the domain of the function, it's called a constant function. That is, in constant function, all the domain variables are connected to a single constant in the second set, that is, in the codomain. For example, y is equal to f of x is equal to 3. All x belonging to a set of real numbers. The graph of a constant function is always a straight line parallel to x-axis, and it is above the x-axis if the constant involved is positive, and below the x-axis if the constant is negative. There is another graph of this constant function, that is, it will coincide with the x-axis if the constant involved is 0. So there are three graphs of this constant function, that is, it will be either above the x-axis or below the x-axis or will coincide with the x-axis. The domain of a constant function is always the set of real numbers. If otherwise not mention a specific set, that it should be the domain of a constant function. So we always take the set of real numbers as the domain of this constant function. Now, what will be the range of this constant function then? This is another question. Okay, how to find the range of the constant function? So keep in mind the range of a constant function is always a singleton set, and it always consists on that specific constant to which all the pre-images are connected. Dear learner, we have up to now learned what is a constant function, its domain, range, and its different ways to draw its graph. Now we are defining the constant function like this, that a constant function c is defined as a function from real numbers to a specific set containing k. The constant function is onto. The constant function will always be onto if the codomain set contain just one element, that is that constant, then it will be considered onto function because the range will equal to the second set, as clear from the mapping diagram. Now it will never onto if the codomain set contain more than one element. Consider the following mapping diagram. Suppose set A contain ABC and set B contain LKM. So it is clear that it is not onto. Now let us draw the graphs of different constant functions. Suppose we have a function, constant function, that is y is equal to f of x is equal to 3. Here we have a constant 3 which is positive. So suppose if we plug x is equal to 0, the value of y will be 3. If we plug x is equal to 1, the value of y will be 3. If we plug x is equal to 10, the value of y will be 3. If we plug x is equal to 100, the value of y will be 3. Similarly, if we plug in the values of x as negative, we will have a constant value, that is 3, to the left of y-axis, and we see that it is a graph above the x-axis and a straight line as well. Now let us consider another example, that is y is equal to g of x is equal to minus 5. Here the constant involved is negative. So if we plug x is equal to 0, the value of y will be minus 5. If x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, the value of y will be minus 5. That is, it will be remain constant, that is minus 5. Similarly, if we have a constant function, that is y is equal to h of x is equal to 0. So this graph will be coincided with the x-axis. So we see that three different graphs of a constant function, above the x-axis, below the x-axis, and coincided with the x-axis. Hope you will understand the constant function. Now it's the time to subscribe my channel, like it, do not forget to press the bell icon, and please mention your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.